How magnets work. One afternoon, Flaming Fox invited his friends, Bunny and Hedgehog, to his home for an exciting science experiment. As they gathered in Flaming's workshop, he held up a magnet and said, "Today, we're going to learn how magnets work." Bunny's eyes lit up with curiosity. "That sounds interesting, Flaming. How do magnets work?" Hedgehog nodded eagerly. "Yeah. What makes magnets stick to things?" Flaming smiled, ready to share his knowledge. "Magnets are fascinating. Let me show you how they work." They gathered around the table with various items, including metal objects and a few magnets. Step 1. Introducing magnets. Flaming held up a magnet. Magnets have a force called magnetism that attracts certain materials, like iron, nickel, and cobalt. This force is invisible, but it can make objects move. Bunny looked intrigued. "So, magnets can attract metal objects?" "Exactly," Flaming replied. He placed a paperclip near the magnet, and the paperclip quickly stuck to it. "See how the paperclip is attracted to the magnet? That's magnetism at work." Step 2. Magnetic poles. Flaming continued. Magnets have two poles, a north pole and a south pole. Opposite poles attract each other, while like poles repel each other. He brought two magnets close together, showing how they either stuck together or pushed each other apart. Hedgehog asked, "Why do opposite poles attract and like poles repel?" Flaming explained, "It's because of the magnetic fields around the magnets. The fields interact with each other, causing attraction or repulsion." Step 3. Magnetic fields. Flaming drew a simple diagram on a piece of paper, showing the magnetic field lines around a magnet. These lines represent the magnetic field, which is the area around the magnet where its force can be felt. The field lines go from the North Pole to the South Pole. Bunny added, "So, the magnetic field is what makes objects move toward the magnet." "Yes," Flaming said, "the magnetic field creates the force that attracts or repels objects." Step 4. Experimenting with magnets. Flaming handed Bunny and Hedgehog a few magnets and some metal objects. "Now, let's experiment. Try using the magnets to attract different objects and see what happens." Bunny and Hedgehog eagerly began experimenting, moving the magnets close to various objects and watching how they reacted. They giggled with excitement as they discovered which items were magnetic and which were not. As the sun began to set, Bunny said, "Thank you, Flaming. I learned so much about how magnets work." Hedgehog added, "Yes, thank you. It was so much fun experimenting with magnets." Flaming smiled warmly. "You're welcome, friends. Magnets are amazing tools that help us understand the forces in our world. There's always something new to learn and explore." With that, they cleaned up their experiment and settled in for a cozy evening, feeling inspired by their newfound knowledge of magnets.